Hello everybody. Today I will solve two numerical problems related to the flywheel. So the example one is this is example number 1. I start with it. We have to prove that omega max divided by omega minimum is equal to omega max means maximum angular velocity of the flywheel. Omega mean minimum angular velocity of the flywheel. Minimum angular velocity of the flywheel. It is given by 2CF divided by 2 minus CF. Maximum angular velocity of the flywheel is given by omega max and minimum angular velocity of the flywheel is given by omega minimum. It is indicated like this. And their ratio is given by this. Prove that their ratio is given by this. That is 2 plus CF divided by 2 minus CF. Where CF is the coefficient of fluctuation of speed. You have to prove it. Prove that omega max divided by omega minimum is equal to 2 plus CF divided by 2 minus CF. Where CF is coefficient of fluctuation of speed. Coefficient of fluctuation of speed. We have to prove this. This problem was asked in the GATE examination in the year 2006. This problem was asked in GATE 2006 and PEC 2014. We know that the solution can be like this. The solution can be like this. We know that coefficient of fluctuation of speed, that is CF, is given by maximum speed, that is omega max minus omega minimum divided by average angular velocity or angular speed of the flywheel. That is, average means omega max plus omega minimum divided by 2. In the earlier class, I wrote it like this. CF is given as omega 2 minus omega 1 divided by omega 2 plus omega 1 by 2. It was written like this in my earlier class. But what is omega 2? It is the maximum speed of the flywheel. Omega 1 is the minimum speed of the flywheel. Omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2, it is the average speed of the flywheel. So this ratio is known as coefficient of fluctuation of speed. I mentioned it in the earlier class. In the exam, the problem was given like this. Prove that omega max divided by omega minimum is equal to 2CF divided by 2 minus CF, where symbols are having their usual meanings. The question was asked in the GATE examination as well as in PEC examination in the year 2014. Now, we know that, we start the solution like this. We know that CF is equal to omega max minus omega minimum divided by average of omega x and omega minimum. So it can be written like this: CF omega max plus CF omega minimum is equal to, this 2 will go, it will be 2 times of omega max minus 2 times of omega minimum. Omega max can be taken this side, so it will be omega max CF minus 2. It can be written like this. Omega max is shifted this side, so CF minus 2 into omega x is taken as common. CF minus 2. It can be written as this side minus CF omega minimum minus 2 times omega minimum. Or it can be written as omega minimum is taken common from here. It can be written as omega max divided by omega minimum is equal to 2 minus CF is equal to, taking minus sign as common, 2 plus CF divided by 2 minus CF. This was to be proved. Hence it is proved. So their ratio, the ratio of the maximum speed of the flywheel to the minimum speed, can be written as 2 plus CF divided by 2 minus CF. It was to be proved. Now, example number 2. Example number 2 was also asked in the GATE examination in the year 2014 as well as in the year 2014 in PEC. The example number 2 is like this. Example number 2. Example number 2. Example Example 2. A flywheel connected to a punching machine. A flywheel connected to a punching machine A flywheel connected to a punching machine has to supply energy of 400 Newton meter. A flywheel connected to a punching machine has to supply energy of 400 Newton meter while running at a mean speed of 20 radian per second. 20 radian per second. If the total fluctuation of speed, if total fluctuation of speed, if the total fluctuation of speed is not to exceed plus minus 2%. If the total fluctuation of speed is not to exceed plus minus 2%, find the moment of inertia. Find mass moment of inertia of flywheel. Find the mass moment of inertia of flywheel. The problem was asked in the GATE. 2013. PEC in the year 2014. The problem was asked in the examination like this. Now I present the solution. The solution. We know that EF is given by I omega square into CF. This we have proved in the class. In the class we have proved that EF is given by I omega square into CF, where symbols are having their usual meanings. EF is equal to I omega square into CF. I, mass moment of inertia of the flywheel. Omega, that is given. Omega is given. Mean angular speed of the flywheel. I is to be found out. I is to be calculated. Omega is equal to 20. CF is given as plus minus 2%, means it is to be taken twice of this, that is 0.04. Total fluctuation of speed is not to exceed plus minus 2%. It means 2% above the mean line and 2% below the mean line. So total value of CF is 4%, 0.04. So it is also given. Omega is also given. What is CF? What is EF? Is the maximum fluctuation of energy. Maximum fluctuation of energy is given as 400 Newton meter. It is also given. So by calculation, we can find the value of I. The value of I is found to be, we can find the value of I. EF is equal to 400 Newton meters. EF is equal to, it is given in the question itself, EF 400 Newton meter. Omega 20 radian per second. CF, total fluctuation of speed, will be 2 times of this, plus minus. Where there is plus minus sign, you have to multiply it by 2. Then it will be 4%. So CF is equal to 4%. So with the help of this formula, you can find the value of I. And the value of I is found to be, the value of I after calculation is found to be 25. The value of I is found to be 25 kg meter square. This is the value of I. The value of I, mass moment of inertia, is 25 kg meter square. It is always to be taken in kg meter square. This is the unit of mass moment of inertia of the flywheel. I think it is the start of the numerical problems. It is sufficient for today. Tomorrow we will do certain numerical problems. slightly complicated, more complicated rather. Thank you. Thanks everybody.